Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
San Jose's seminary. I have walked around in here a couple times and filmed it. But today's goal is just to look down here, and our target street was directly down there. So that is down this way, and then our target street, which is right here, which is only from this block only, that just goes towards the waterfront, coming down from this Portuguese area. And so there's actually a wellness shop in here. Chi. Hello. Okay. So Calçada de Feitoria. So we're gonna go directly up this hill, and we'll give you a little context before we do. But I will tell you right away that there's two things here. This yellow building right here is a beautiful, beautiful temple, and then straight ahead is a seminary, Catholic seminary. So you're gonna get that mix of Catholic, Portuguese Catholic, and also of Chinese culture as well. So two religious icons are on this street right here, called Calçada da Feitoria. So that's gonna be what we're gonna see in a moment. So stay tuned for that. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on. So that's our target street right there. This is actually called Caixa Street, so it says Travessa de Caixa. That goes to Pont 16 to the waterfront. But we're gonna go up, and we're moving from the coast up into the traditional Portuguese area, which is up where the seminary was built. And we're also this, you're gonna see another, let's just kind of go up. Actually, before we go, here's a Filipino shop, convenience store. So you got halos, and they also got garlic. Looks like a garlic marinated meat. Okay, so let's go up. Mini Mart. Let's find M coins, biodegradable pads. Looks like let's just kind of walk across and try to give some context to this whole area. So now you can kind of see that straight down. There's some little patios along the way, like that, and a shrine. And then what we're gonna do is capture this space. And it looks like our calçada is actually gonna end. Huh. So actually I think our calçada is very short. It's just this little space. So that's that's okay. We're gonna capture what's around here though. So this one is called Barão Street. It goes into this São Lourenço, which is like São Lourenço has a marketplace. It's kind of a bedrock for this community right here. So that is down this way. And then our target street, which is right here, which is only from this block only, that just goes towards the waterfront, coming down from this Portuguese area. So this would be the first time I filmed this one, because usually I call it Barão when I've been in here. Barão is a very interesting street, or São José. And São José is where this goes up to the seminary. Because Feitoria is such a short street, I want to give it full credit. So what I'm going to do is just kind of take a look at one of these little patios. So Pátio, Horta, Pátio. So we'll combine the two I believe that this street will just end right here. And then this will be the target street, Pátio de Horta, and then also the Calçada. Kind of walk slow in. So this just ends right here. And this is kind of typical Macau because this little alley would only go to the people that live here, right? You can't even take scooters down here, which is kind of interesting too. And you got a shrine, which is pretty common as well, to have shrines right at the foot of a patio or in these small little streets like this. Okay. Yeah, if you had something here, it'd be hard to find because people wouldn't readily know the street. And then if you try to describe it, it would be difficult. I guess you'd say it's down from the seminary, but not everybody knows that reference either. So this is all our reference, all our street is. That goes to Barão, this goes to San Jose. And I did mention that I was going to show you the Portuguese and Catholic two elements. So I will do that. So inside here is a church right inside here. Sorry, temple. Church is straight up the street. Then the seminary is right there. So that's San Jose Seminary, right in that space. So that gives you a little context of where we are exactly. This is San Jose. There's some businesses up in this space. And then there's the temple right here, which is a pretty cool temple. Beautiful. And we're gonna head on out. And then up here, there's actually a kind of a cool shrine right up in here. So I think what I'm gonna do is just come around here, come back down, and then we're gonna go down that way. And there's actually a wellness shop in here, Chi. Hello. So I think that one has shrines related to this. I think this is an older lady that lives here. So she has that side of it. So now we're looking out at our temple right there. And then, so our target street was down the hill. And we're going to continue to go up this way as well. So that's where we were just at, our target street. Temple, target street. And then it ends at the seminary. So we're going to call it, you know, I did include that patio, but I'm just going to leave it at the name of that street. But actually what we're on now is called San Jose Street. And it comes right up to the seminary right here. St. Joseph's Seminary, San Jose. And there's the seminary. And I think I was reading about this. It's like a Baroque style. It's really famous for the style of the architecture up there. And so yeah, we're basically went from our target street into Jose Street. And now we're in a totally different space. So our target street was directly down that way. We actually went through 3 streets. San Jose Street, Caixa was at the base before our target street. Our target street, I can't even, 1728, okay. Our target street, I can't even remember the name. It's so small, I don't really come across it. And then we're gonna end this video by going to the top of the seminary, and then I'm gonna look down and see what our view is. And I might even be able to walk I have gone in here before, so this is called San Jose's Seminary. I have walked around in here a couple times and filmed it. But today's goal is just to look down here, and our target street was directly down there. Phew. Pretty cool. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.